Good morning, third graders. This is a quick reminder to my new students. Once a month, all of the third grade teachers meet with our principals to talk about how you guys are doing in third grade. If you're learning what you're supposed to be learning, what you guys are struggling with, and a couple of other things with the principals. Now that takes away from our morning meeting, so we will not have a morning meeting from 8:45 to 9:15 like normal. We will still have our groups, and I'll explain that in a minute, but that is why you are watching your Zoom on here. So do not get on Zoom unless you are in our group at 9:15. Let's go ahead and say Raiders have heart. Raiders have heart. Glen Acres Raiders have a serving heart. We believe in honesty, giving good effort in all we do, having a positive attitude, being respectful, and working together as a team. And for the Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We are going to move on to the next section. Now, for attendance, you are going to be counted present as long as you have your morning work done by 9 o'clock. Your morning work must be done by 9 o'clock. Now, today is Tuesday, November 5th. I'll get it right eventually. It is Thursday, November 5th. And you can see our morning work right here. We're going to go through some parts. You can use the top to help you find the place values. First question is, what is the place value of the underlying digit? Now my ones, 3 is in my ones, 1 is in my 10, 8 is in my hundreds, and the 3 is in my thousands. Write the number in expanded form. Expanded form is when we stretch out the number. So we have 300 plus 7. Now down at the bottom, you're going to have to come up with 5 equations that equal to 15. So the sum is an addition problem. So maybe you have 10 plus 5 equals 15. Or maybe 11 plus 4 equals 15. You need to come up with 5. Answer the sum. Find the difference. And then for the bottom one, we are rounding to the nearest 10. Now I need you to find the place and look next door. 5 and above, give it a shove. 4 and below, let it go. We're going to continue to practice that more today. So we'll do the top one together and you'll do the bottom one on your own. So I'm going to find the place. 7 is in the tens place. And I'm going to look next door. If it's 5 and above, my 7's going to get a shove up. If it's 4 and below, I'm going to let it go. And it is 5 and above, so it is going to change to an 8. Everything to the right is a 0. Everything to the left stays the same. So the nearest 10 is 380. You can use the number line if you would like, but I want you to practice using our poem strategy. Let's go over the agenda for the day. You have your morning work that you just completed. All of the afternoon people are listed above. I have Jenny, Hudson, Gwen, and London. I need to see you at 2 o'clock this afternoon. At 2 o'clock, set your alarms. We're going to work on fact families. Our morning Zoom we do not have, but we do have our groups. Now I have group A. Sorry, I have group B because it is Thursday. I have group B. So at 9:15, Kendall, Elijah, Olivia, Kalina, Amarian, Amaria, Rylan, Gwen, Peyton, Allison, Adelie, Nolan, and William. I will see you on Zoom. You can click this Zoom link to get to that Zoom at 9:15. Then you have problem solving. Watch the video and do the class kick assignments. Math skill, we are still working on area and rounding. Dreambox, do the assigned lessons if there are some, and then make sure you have 5 by the end of the week. Interventions, IXL, positive action, science, and your special is music. If you do not have music on your dashboard, then I want you to send me an inbox message. We're trying to figure that out. If you have any questions, make sure that you send me an inbox message and I can answer that. Again, I will see my group B at 9:15. I will be unavailable because I'll be in a meeting up until then. Your parents will get a reminder on their Class Dojo as well. Have a great day.